Hi guys, this is Abraham from the Integrity Auto. Today I am going to change 2011 Volvo V60's engine mount. I don't know why, but the Volvo has a serious engine mount problem. So today I am going to change it. The day before yesterday, I got the brand new from the dealer. So all set up, and then going to change it. The first thing we need, um, okay, so we need the remove this cover. So for that we have to take this bolt out. One, two, three, four, five here, six, seven or something, and those are T-torques. Um, I guess I guess 25. Let's check this one. Nope. T-Tox probably 30. Yes. It's 30. So I am going to the pause this video and then remove this cover first. Okay. So guys, I took this the cover, um, and in here, so before the changing engine mount we need the support engine. So because if you take off the engine mount without any support, the engine going to be fall down. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just put another like floor jack or something, and then need to some support this engine block, and then going to up. Okay, let's go. By the way, I'm going to stop this video one more time. Pause. Okay, bye. So guys, I put floor jack down here to support engine block. So the engine mount is this one. I don't know Volvo has so much problem about the engine mount. Anyway, um, so taking engine mount, so we need unscrew one, two, three, four, five, and then this one, six. Okay, let's start to unscrew them. Okay. By the way, they are so tight, so you need some like a torque wrench, or yeah, something long one, because you need a lot of power to unscrew this. Okay, so let me pause again and then unscrew this one and then come back here. Okay, hold on. Okay guys, I just took the engine mount, the out, this one, the old one. So that's done, and let's put the new one. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Just manage the bolt locations, and that's it. So we need screw back these 6 bolts, and then we are done. Okay, so um, I'm going to pause again. Okay, see you. Okay guys, I put this back, new one, and then and tighten this screws firmly, so um, the otherwise you got problem. Okay, so it's time to check. Let's see how it is. Okay. Wow. I guess this is excellent. There is no shake or vibration inside the cabin or handle or anything. It's so smooth working. So guys, by the way, by the way, I bought this one the day before yesterday. I'm going to make a video about this later. Okay. So what I use here is this socket and socket. Okay, probably socket. Okay. So this one was for spark plug. So you need pretty deep yeah socket, because in here you can't get this bolt with normal socket. See, you can get enough deep, so that's why you need the longer one. Okay, so the change is completed. So test was okay, so the vibration is gone, the inside is so smooth right now. So I am going to close this and then put the cover back, and then we're done here. Okay, see you on next video. Bye.